Hello, welcome back to the channel where we try new things to make your family happy, and today it's quite an exotic one and it's very specific. The new thing that we're trying is to get a bus for the very first time here in Rome. We're going to try and go into the city, so we're at this bus stop here, and I think we've got to validate these cards. They're valid for 72 hours. There you go, Joe. You've got to put it in the machine. Machine over here, and you just put the card in. He's probably going to wait for us to do it. There we go. Has it done it? I can't see. You have to do what? Right. Can you put this in the machine? Yeah. Okay, that's. It works. We go to full set. There you go. There you go. You got.
It's only a day now. Not like this.
Go to full set. There you go. So you'll press the button. So you'll put it in. Force it in. Try the other way.
What way did you do it?
With the barcode facing it.
Where's the date stamp?
I haven't got one.
Why not?
I don't know. Right. Oh, there you go. Hey, right. So you put it arrow way down. We'll nearly be. We'll be there in a minute.
That way.
The arrow's the clue. There you go. Oh, that was funny. The bus driver was having none of it. So it's our first bus. So all the Duolingo that I did for half an hour on the plane on the way over just escaped me. We didn't realise this, but you can actually use the back doors as well. Unfortunately, I've scared the kids by putting lots of videos about pickpockets on WhatsApp. So now everyone's terrified of getting on the metro, the train. So as a bonus, we're now going to get off the bus and get into a metro train and try not to get pickpocketed. Okay, so I don't know if this is the right stop. We went sailing past the metro station. Let's go. Whoa, shit! Why are you? So we think we found the metro station. Just can't find the entrance. Okay, so this is the entrance. Oh look, B for the B line. Oh man, here we go. There we go. Back. Yeah. Man, I've put the fear of God into my family. There's no one here, but we're still looking out for pickpockets.
Battistini. Dalla domenica a giovedì, dalle ore 21, metro A,
Grazie.
integralmente sostituite l'autobus.
Grazie. Grazie. I didn't mean to crumple it, that was an accident. I didn't know he was going to ask for it back. That was mistake number 2. So this is our stop. Circo Massimo. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but I can see barriers. We just got to get to the barriers without being pickpocketed. Circo Massimo.
Circo Massimo.
It's very dark, the Rome metro.
Underground city is really lit.
Yeah. Here we go.
We just walk through.
Oh yeah, you can just walk through these. I thought you needed to put the ticket in. But it's a one-way barrier. So that's a bit easier.
Just hop over.
People literally walk around with boxes of pizza.
Yeah. Pizza place everywhere.
Yeah, other cities have rats, but here they just have
Mice.
pizza. No, they have pizza places. So look, we just walked out of the exit straight into a Roman ruin. I love this place, it's absolutely gorgeous. So I hope this video is helpful. I'm not sure it was, but if it is, we've got loads more. So thank you for hitting the thumbs up or the subscribe button. I'm right here next to the metro sign. This is what YouTube knows you are going to love watching next. Guys, look!